presentation of the solution which children has built for blind and deaf people were very, very impressive. I think that is one of the best presentation I have ever had.
All were solving some problems here and there. What I felt, there was detection of alcohol in the blood, drivers alertness level. So that was kind of close to me.
I'll say that whether they win this or they come first, third, fourth, no matter what it comes, but it is not about judging themselves. It is about the solution they have built.
So keep on learning new things, keep on exploring, right? Never stop trying, never stop learning, and never be afraid to fail.
I think this is a wonderful collaboration and providing these students so much guidance and resources to excel in their career. I think they will always going to learn this event.